I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and a quick backup of the config. Make a back copy now so you can revert. Next, identify the exact process responsible for checking media presence, kernel module, udev rule, or user space daemon. Once identified, stop the service to avoid race conditions, systemctl stop service, or kill the PID. Make sure to take note of original file names and locations. These details are needed for safe edits and future rollback. Now you edit the detection logic so checks are bypassed. Open the relevant udev rule or service config and comment out or alter lines that match removable media rules. Alternatively, modify scripts to return success immediately when a mount check runs. Once edits are saved, reload udev rules and restart the service. Udevatom control reload then systemctl restart service. Make sure to test with a simulated device or dry run flag where available, because that reveals residual checks you may have missed. Finish by verifying the system no longer performs unwanted media presence checks. Plug and unplug a device while watching logs with journoctl F and reproduce the original trigger. If something fails, revert immediately by restoring your back files and restarting the service. That returns you to a working baseline. If the check persists, inspect kernel modules and mount helper binaries for hard-coded behavior, blacklist a module, or adjust helper flags. One key troubleshooting tip: always compare pre-change and post-change logs to pinpoint remaining checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.